What are cryptocurrencies for? Cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ether, and many others have several potential uses. Decentralized exchange of value. Cryptocurrencies can be used to transfer value efficiently and quickly without intermediaries such as banks or payment systems. This allows users to send and receive money almost instantly, reducing the cost of fees and simplifying international and cross-border transactions. Investment and value preservation. Some people use cryptocurrencies as a means of investment, hoping to see their value grow and generate profits. Some cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin, are also considered to be the digital equivalent of gold or other traditional currencies and can be used as a store of value. Financial inclusion. Cryptocurrencies can be used to access financial services for those who do not have access to traditional bank accounts or credit. They can be particularly useful in regions with limited access to banking services, where they can help improve financial inclusion. Technological innovation. Cryptocurrencies are based on blockchain technology, which can have a wide range of applications beyond financial transactions, such as smart contracts, decentralized applications, use in logistics, supply chain, and more. Privacy and security. Cryptocurrencies can provide a high level of privacy and security. Transactions using cryptocurrencies are usually encrypted and secured using cryptography, which can provide a high level of security. In addition, cryptocurrencies are usually based on blockchain technology, which is decentralized and immune, ensuring a high level of security and immutability of transactions. Innovations in the payment system. Cryptocurrencies can be used to innovate the payment system. They can provide new opportunities for micropayments, subscriptions, international payments, contactless payments, and other payment solutions that can change the traditional way of making payments. Ecosystems and collaboration. Cryptocurrencies can create ecosystems in which different companies, developers, and collaborating parties can interact and cooperate. This can facilitate the creation of new business models, economic cooperation, decentralized applications, and other innovations. Consequently, cryptocurrencies can have a number of potential uses, such as decentralized value exchange, investment and value preservation, financial inclusion, technological innovation, privacy and security, payment system innovation, ecosystems, and collaboration. However, it is important to keep in mind that cryptocurrencies also have their own risks, such as price volatility, regulatory aspects, the possibility of being used for illegal activities, loss of funds due to the loss of private keys, and other factors. Each cryptocurrency may have its own unique uses and benefits depending on its technology and specifics. For example, Bitcoin is used as a digital means of exchanging and storing value, Ethereum is used to create decentralized applications based on smart contracts, and Ripple is used to facilitate international payments between banks. In general, cryptocurrencies can be used for a variety of purposes, including value exchange, investment, financial inclusion, technological innovation, privacy and security, and the creation of new payment solutions and collaboration ecosystems. However, before using cryptocurrencies, it is important to have a good understanding of their nature, risks and potential benefits, and to take into account the relevant legal and regulatory requirements in your country. Do you use cryptocurrencies? Would you like to invest in cryptocurrencies? Leave a comment. Cryptocurrencies have been gaining popularity in recent years, but they also have their fair share of advantages and disadvantages. Here are some of the pros and cons of cryptocurrencies. Pros: decentralized. Cryptocurrencies are not controlled by any central authority, making them immune to government or institutional control. Transparency. Blockchain technology, which underlies most cryptocurrencies, is transparent and allows for the tracking of transactions, increasing accountability and reducing the potential for fraud. Anonymity. Some cryptocurrencies offer a high degree of privacy and anonymity, making them attractive to people who value their financial privacy. Accessibility. Cryptocurrencies are accessible to anyone with an internet connection, allowing for easy and fast cross-border transactions. Security. Cryptocurrencies use advanced encryption techniques to secure transactions, making them resistant to fraud and hacking. Cons. Volatility. Cryptocurrencies can be extremely volatile, with their value fluctuating wildly over short periods. This makes them risky and unpredictable as an investment. Insufficient regulation and consumer protection. As cryptocurrencies are not yet fully regulated, users may be less protected from fraud, theft, and other abuses. The lack of consumer protection can create risks for users, particularly for those who do not have sufficient expertise in cryptocurrencies. Limited acceptance. Although the popularity of cryptocurrencies is growing, they are still not widely accepted as a means of payment, making it difficult to use them in daily transactions. Technical complexity. Cryptocurrencies can be complex to understand and use, requiring a certain level of technical expertise to navigate. Environmental impact. Mining cryptocurrencies consumes a lot of energy, leading to concerns about their environmental impact and sustainability. High fees and limited use. Some cryptocurrencies may have high transaction fees, especially during periods of high popularity. In addition, the acceptance of cryptocurrencies in a number of shops and businesses is still quite limited, which limits the possibilities of using cryptocurrencies in everyday life. Before using cryptocurrencies, you should carefully evaluate your options, risks, and study the relevant legal requirements in your country. Always do your research and take appropriate security measures to protect your cryptocurrencies and personal data.